The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dancehall. People wanna look at this. This is not normal. We are just crossing all the way, almost. We are kept at Mount Rasa. This is where a car run off the road. This is not even normal. I wonder if the driver gone down there. So. Yeah man, a money taxi, right? We don't know if he gone off the road or he went down there. This is a precipice. See it right there? So people, I'm live on location right here near to Mount Rasa, and the car is over a precipice. People, you know, I'm live on location as always, passing by. I don't know what is happening, but trust me, people want to tell you on the road of Mount Rasa is very slippery. It is very, very slippery. The rain is falling. People, take your time on the road. Please, I'm begging you on thanks. Take your time. Motorists, take your time driving. This is he coming from that end. Coming from that end. Circle all the way right here. And this is where the driver, the taxi man, end up. We don't know if nobody's not over there. No, everybody come out. Jesus Christ. Yo, look at it, man. Look at this. Look at this. It's only God. I got this in my youth. I got this in. Wait. That car drop off and go down there, sir. Yeah. Oh, good almighty people. Let me tell you something. This is not. Got no idea. One taximan from Mani. So they're coming all the way from Mani to come to go to Yuatan or go to Linstead, and they are down in the gully. So we're asking motorists to please take your time. Take your time. Don't lock it, open it. Open the car. Don't lock it might lock up. Don't open the car door. So people, we are here.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And right about now, there's two things I want to talk about that I saw in this video. You know what I mean? Two things I want to put out there as a point. You get me? But before I say anything about those two things, I want to make sure that I clarify something about this video. Alright? Now this video shows off a vehicle that went off-road somewhere within the parish of St. Catherine, that is at the country of Jamaica, and you can hear the person in the video say something like Mount Rasa, so I can assume that it is somewhere within the area of that place that is known as Mount Rasa. Alright? Now viewers and subscribers, the first thing I'm going to say is that motorists will not take on time on the road. Alright? You know the amount of road fatalities and all these things, so may I say, and you don't know say motor vehicles are dangerous thing, you see me? The amount of warning that I've been giving out there, I know that accident do happens, but however, it doesn't give the excuse for accidents to happen at the same time. You get what I'm saying to you? So I'm going to say this because I want the best for everyone. Motorists, take on the time on the road. And the second thing more of a point out, viewers and subscribers, is look at the amount of garbage whether on the side at the road or in the gully or whatsoever that place might be. Eh? Like, look on the amount of garbage you miss it through right there. So, you saw me I said to your viewers and subscribers, you know, yes, the accident is one where the vehicle went off road. You know, me hear the person talk about like the people that was in the vehicle. They are okay, or they must have come out and something. You know, I don't know the injury or if they get any injuries. But however, viewers and subscribers, look at the garbage on the road. Yes, so motorists take on the time on the road. You understand? Yeah, save your life and save other people's life. Take your time on the road. And you see, as for the garbage part, please only try to throw no garbage in the bin. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, I'm not pinpointing to anyone. This is to the whole public, you know. I'm just saying, you know, always throw the garbage in the bin. Keep Jamaica clean, not dirty up Jamaica. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, alright. So this is where we leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about something like this. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?